Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube live. In this live, I would like to tell about my Kindle book offer. I'll be first sharing my screen. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Okay, you are seeing this blog post, right? I recently published this blog post. This post is about giving my Kindle books for free, 12 books today, November 7th. Okay, I provided this blog post link in the description of this video. You can just click that link and you can come to this page. In this page, you can find the list of books, 12 books list, right? So most of the books are about AI, learning AI, AI and data science interview questions and answers. Start learning AI today, building AI agents with the LangChain and LangGraph. AI tools for healthcare professionals. AI for absolute beginners. The ultimate guide to AI tools. Python for absolute beginners. Software testing in the AI era. AI tools for teachers. Building AI agents with OpenAI's Agent Kit. RAG made simple. AI agents for beginners. Beware of Google's monopoly. Okay, so, except this one, almost all the books are about AI, right? So, if you are interested in learning AI, this book offer, Kindle book offer, will be really useful. All these 12 books you can freely access today. Okay. Suppose if you are Kindle Unlimited member, you can read them free even after this end of this offer, right? Because I enrolled it into KDP Select. Okay, okay. So uh, just to click this link, you can just go through that and just for sample, I'm opening one. Here the price is showing as zero, right? You can just click this button and you can freely read that. Okay, if you want, you can just read the samples first. Okay, but anyway, it's free, right? You can straight away just use that. I don't think there will be any restriction on number of free usage, right? So you can just use all that free offer. Okay, okay. It is for people in US, this link, but as I specified in this blog post, if you are in some other country, search the book by the as in number found at the end of the URL. Okay, for example, for this book the number is this one, or you can just find here, it's in number. Okay, so that suppose if you're in India, go to amazon.in. Okay, and search that number. You can find that book, right? These are sponsored. Below that you can find that book. That is one approach, or just go to your site. Say for example, if you're in Canada, go to amazon.ca and then just search my name. Okay, this is another approach. You can search my name, so it will be showing my books, right? Better you can click this, click any book, and then click my name. Okay, so below that it will be showing all my books, right? So maybe you can sort it by based on the publication date, because mostly the recent books will be in this offer. Okay, so here you can see, right, all the prices are showing zero. This is my latest book. This one, tomorrow I'll be running the free offer. Today only I published this book. Okay, but other books like this one here, everything is going at zero, right? So we can just use that offer by checking whether price is zero or not, right? So up to this one, right here. Okay, that is another approach. Or as I said, if you are looking for any specific book only means, I just copy this ASIN number and then search it on your kind of country specific thing. Okay, it is for people in other countries, but for people in US, they can straight away just click this Amazon.com link. Okay, so the main purpose of giving this free offer is to get the ratings and reviews, right? So if you like the book, just add your rating and review, and tell about this offer to your friends also. Okay. And moreover, as I talked in my previous session, right now I am giving one-on-one coaching. So if you are interested in that thing, you can just click that. Okay, this one-on-one AI coaching. Here you can find the details. I provided my email ID, my WhatsApp number. If you have any questions, you can ask me. And here also you can freely download many of my books from my website rajamanikam.com. These books are not available for free at Amazon, so it will be additional thing, right? Because Amazon free offer is applicable to the books that are enrolled into KDP Select. I cannot enroll the books into KDP Select if it is getting listed in my website. Okay, so these books I listed in my website rajamanikam.com. Okay, so here I just included this 100% discount code RAG so that the book will be becoming zero. Okay, so this is another way of getting free books. Okay, so I almost a lot of free books I'm providing. The reason is just to reach more people so that they can contact me to get one-on-one coaching. Okay, that is the main purpose. But additionally, it is useful for getting ratings and reviews also. Even a few days back, I ran free offer for my AA course also. Right now, you can get it for 50% discount. Okay, just to go to rajamanikam.com and click this AA course. Okay, and you can use the discount code QPT. Okay, or straight away you can put it in the URL also. Suppose if you are planning to share it with others, that is giving 50% discount code. Okay, but in India, that because of purchasing power parity, it is giving 60% it's a discount, which is more than 50%, right? So it has taken that value. Okay, okay. So any questions, you can ask me through the comment section. Right now, no questions, right? Okay. Uh, I will be just going through one by one the books. This book, AI and data science interview questions and answers. Okay, so it will be useful for people who are preparing for interview, but not only for interview, to learn the things in different way, right? Instead of just studying the things chapter by chapter, if you look into these kinds of interview questions, so you can get some curiosity, and it will be more effective way of learning, right? For learning also it's a good way, but if you are very very beginner, if you want to start learning AI, maybe this book will be useful. Start learning AI today. Okay, this book, it's a very very simple way of learning. Even it got one rating. Okay, so here it is like very simple. Here you can include this thing, right? Just what is AI in everyday life, getting started with AI tools, agents, introduction, and then explaining about RAG, other things, some advanced things. Step by step, it's moving. So in that case, if you're a very beginner but want to learn about developments, other things also means this book will be useful. Okay, and other books like this is especially useful for LangChain and LangGraph. So developers who are willing to build RAG applications or any kind of agents with the help of LangChain and LangGraph, they can get this book. Okay, but since all the books are free, you can get all the books. Okay, just I'm telling you, just you can focus more on this book. Okay, and you can just all are intuitive. Just you can check the things. Okay, Um, so Python, if you want to learn Python, this Python for absolute beginners will be useful. And this book actually very. I hope it will be very unique, and you may not be getting more books like this because like a lot of software testing, it's now that because of AI, the things are getting changed, right? So I believe who are in software testing, they need to move into AI. That is what the pattern I'm seeing when I go through various social media. So for them, it will be useful. But actually, this book is like about two things. One is about teaching software, explaining software testing for testing the AI models, that kind of testing. Another thing is using AI in software testing. That both things, this book is addressing both things. It will be useful for upskilling for software testers. Okay, it's a good thing. Like around 15 years back, I released a book about software testing. That is what my first book here. So that was about software testing and test automation. So, oh, but that was outdated, right? It's getting outdated. So I thought of updating the book, but instead of just telling about software testing, I decided to include it with the AI. So that's how this book came. Okay, so it will be useful for both people, like software testers as well as people who are planning to start their career in AI also. Okay, because testing AI model and even drag pipeline evaluation, everything is like a very it's a critical or very important task. Okay, so this one it's for teachers. Okay, so teachers can get some information from here. So here you can read the description, like how to effectively use AI tools. Okay, so there are a lot of teacher specific tools are there. I listed them. Okay, I don't have much personal experience, so it's like information collected from net as well as ChatGPT's information. Okay, so I just asked freely offered this some time back and asked many people whether any issues are there. I didn't get any negative things, so mostly it will be really useful. Okay, so a lot of people downloaded this. The sales rank is 48,000, right? But I didn't get any negative things. But mostly, I'm just trying to like share my personal experience through my books. But this one, I noticed a lot of demand, right? Teachers are looking for a way because AI it's becoming a important thing. But people in other discipline they need to know how to use it effectively, right? So I thought of releasing one book about this, and even after that, I decided to release another book for doctors and especially healthcare. I listed here, right? It's not there. Python, start learning AI, building AI, this one, healthcare. Right now, I'm thinking about creating similar books for YouTubers, digital marketers, that kind of thinking. I'm having. Okay, um, so this one also sales rank 35,000, right? So I believe a lot of people are interested in these books. Okay, I understand that development related books always there is audience to read, but the competition is high, right? And they can explore other books, but these kinds of initiatives are very less. So I thought of doing that kind of stuff. Okay, so I'll be just exploring that. Okay, but my primary focus always will be development related stuff. Okay, but in the meantime I'm just exploring these things also. But so based on the feedback, I'll be focusing more on that. You may share the feedback. As I said, if you like that book, add the rating and reviews at Amazon itself. If you don't like the book, if you have a lot of negative comments, feel free to share it with me. My email ID is rajamanikam.a@gmail.com, or just you can share that in the comment section of this video also. Okay. Okay. So just to go through that, okay, maybe I'll be discussing about my books in detail in another session. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Bye.